Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out in this building in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, kind of getting close to the center of town, and it's obviously empty. They've done some interior stuff, and we're working on the exterior today. It's Sunday. It's very cold. It's just like 36 degrees. This is probably the coldest that I want to be doing this, but it needs to get done so folks can get this thing rented. One thing you want to look at is this awning. This awning is very interesting. Luckily, it's a vinyl awning, so it's very easy to clean. But as you can see, where I was cleaning over there and the overspray has already began to clean right here. See the streaks coming down? That's where my mix has already started to clean, even though I wasn't over on this side. So here you can see where I did a section right here to show what we're going to look at. This is your clean, what it's going to look at when it's done. This is what it looked like here. The only place it's going to be different is probably right here. As you can tell, this is definitely discolored where they had the vinyl has protected it. This was more than likely closer to the original, or else it's faded. I'm not sure, but this is never going to look the same, but we are definitely going to be able to get it to that with no problem. So I'm going to very easily take my soap mixture and just put it up there like that. I'm going to let it sit a couple of minutes. If it needs some agitation, I have a soft brush here, but that soap mixture is going to kill that mold and mildew and cause it to disappear, and the whole thing is going to look like that very soon. So I'm not going to bore you with watching that whole process. It is kind of boring. It's kind of fun for me, but it's boring for most people. But this is very easy. This is vinyl. It's a lot more different if it's a cloth. You don't put this type of mix on cloth, but I can put this on vinyl. So anyway, that's what we're doing this Sunday, freezing our butts off and making places look good. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.